Hello there. I am Ajesh, channel sales manager at Mahindra Life Spaces, handling Chennai properties and Hyderabad. I think I've approached Kallada. It was about 4 months back. Yeah, yes. So the whole idea or agenda to have this digital marketing course done is for one particular reason, wherein uh, you know I wanted to start my own firm as an real estate consultant. I'll be soon doing it later this year, hopefully. So to understand, online world now, things are getting into a different shift, after post covid, all those things. So that was the sole purpose, wherein to start up your business you get to know what is business is all about. So online channels has to be something which is contributing 40-50 percentage currently. Yes, it will soon take up to a new level. So I approached Kallada Academy for digital marketing course, round about fairly good knowledge they were able to deliver it. I think nevertheless the tutorials was quite very unique in their contents, I would say. And it was step by step, easy to handle. They give things plug and play to you. So that's something interesting. But I would say rather, what is really in its class by itself, would be the support the team has extended. Hats off to, I don't remember founder name is Mr. Santej. Yeah, Santej, on the Priyanka. So they were able to coordinate things and help you out on every manner. I think that is something which is expected and not expected, I would say, with many institutions or academies. But if your guys are able to deliver this and you don't drop your quality of, up trends what is there in real time world, I think the success is coming like one or two, and again it's coming back to you. And I'm very much grateful for the effort you have put it down. Wish you all the very best, and I wish myself also very best that I could learn marketing from you guys. And yeah, I think soon to catch you with my, maybe if things I have something in my mind or any doubts I have it, I will definitely come back to you, and we'll be in touch. Yeah, thank you.